Hello, and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can be able to solve this problem without using a calculator. Now, we've been asked to look for 8 squared minus 16. Minus 16. How are we going to be able to do that? How are we going to do that? Somebody's going to do it maybe 8 times 8, and then minus what, 16. That's also a very quick way to do that. But we're going to learn something, another method known as the difference is known as the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares. We're going to use that method instead of the 8 times 8 minus 16. Now, this is very simple. What if you have 8 to the power of 10 minus 16? Then you can't do that. It's going to be very tedious. But a quick way to do that is using the difference of two squares. What does the difference of two squares say? It says you have a squared minus b squared. Is actually taking a, added to the b, and also taking the same a and subtract from the b, like that. All right. So what is the first familiar thing that we can be able to see? What's the first familiar thing? We can see that we have 8 squared. It has a power, but this the 16 is unfamiliar. What can we do to the 16 so that it will look the same as the 8 squared? We can rewrite the 16 as 4 squared. So therefore, we can say that 8 squared minus 16, we can rewrite that as 8 squared minus 4 squared. The moment you're able to do that, or we can write the 16 as 2 to the power of 4, whichever way you want to do that. So 4 squared gives us 16. Now this looks like the a squared minus the 6, like the b squared, meaning our a is the 8 and our b is the 4. So we're just going to plug in the formula right there, which is a plus b. The a plus b is going to be 8 plus the b 4, and then another a, which is the 8 minus the b, and then the rest is history. 8 plus 4 becomes 12, and then the 8 minus 4 becomes what, 4, and then two parentheses coming together means you're multiplying. It becomes 12 times 4, and then the answer gives you 48. All right, you can pause the video, go back, take your time, and everything will become clear. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.